वेलकम बैक। किसी को उनसे इश्क विश्क है और कोई उन पे है फिदा। किसी का दिल बोले हड़प्पा और किसी का दिल मांगे मोर। विवाह तो वो करने वाले हैं नहीं जल्दी, ये न्यूज़ है फुल एंड फाइनल। लेकिन उनकी किस्मत कनेक्शन क्या है वो सिर्फ हमें पता चला जब वे मेट।
मुंबई में हीरो बनना बेटा बहुत ही आसान।
5, 6, 7, 8.
We waited for 2.5 hours for Shahid Kapoor. Wow.
This is not an expression of freshness. This is an expression of being scared. कि अभी मेरे ऊपर ये मुझे बताया भी गया है माइक कितना भारी है और कितना इससे क्या क्या कांड हो चुके हैं पहले। क्या आपके सब शोज ऐसे ख़त्म होते हैं किसी को मारते हुए?
बिल्कुल, मेरे व्यूअर्स जानते हैं। 5 साल से मैं यही कर रही हूँ। So what's the movie all about?
The movie is basically the story of a struggling actor, but I think it's the kind of journey which anybody who struggled in their life can connect to. May it be a journalist or a cameraman or an engineer or anybody who struggled to find that first break. समीर बहल है मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम। बड़ा रेगुलर दिल्ली का बंदा है। उसके डैड जो है उनकी दिल्ली की दुकान है, दिल्ली में साड़ी की दुकान है, और उनको लगता है कि मेरे बेटे को यही करना चाहिए था, पता नहीं क्यों एक्टर बनने चला गया। इनफैक्ट वो इतना ऑप्टिमिस्टिक है अपने एक्टिंग के बारे में कि एक मौका ऐसा भी आता है उसकी ज़िंदगी में जब उसे एक घर से भी निकाल दिया जाता है। ही डजंट हैव मनी फॉर रेंट, तो वो एक गाड़ी के अंदर रहता है, बट उसे लगता है ही विल स्टिल मेक इट। सो इट इज़ द जर्नी ऑफ दिस गाइज स्ट्रगल।
Let's talk about Kamine, a fantastic movie. I loved it. And your image completely changed after that movie. And I think you were phenomenal. Tell us about the entire process of making the movie and how has it changed your life?
Kamine for me is a labor of love. Worked very hard on that one. And I'll be ever grateful to Vishal for considering me for that part. I think it was a hugely brave and very foresightful thing for him to have done. I don't know how he thought that I would be able to play that on the basis of what I had done in the past. कोई सोच नहीं सकता था मैं ऐसा करूँगा. And I'm so glad that he gave me that opportunity. And it's a film I'm very, very proud of, very passionate about. And yes, it has done a lot for me as an actor and in the way that people perceive me. जैसा आपने भी कहा, आपका भी perception बदला मेरे बारे में. Which is great. I think it's great to be able to surprise people and do different things. And yeah, so I'm very, very happy.
What are your upcoming projects and how are you selecting your roles now?
There is पाठशाला जो एक स्कूल की कहानी है, बच्चों की कहानी है। मैं टीचर प्ले कर रहा हूँ उसमें। स्पेशल अपीयरेंस है उस फिल्म में मेरा। बहुत ही अच्छी कहानी है। इट्स अबाउट द एजुकेशन सिस्टम एंड अबाउट चिल्ड्रन एंड इट हैज़ अ वेरी वेरी नाइस मैसेज। Then there's a film which I'm doing directed by Parmeet Sethi जिसमें मैं और अनुष्का शर्मा है। And obviously then there is the film which my father is directing with me.
What do you think about Dubai?
Well, you guys have the tallest building in the world now, so congratulations. मैं देखना चाह रहा हूँ, दूर से देख रहा था मैं, तो कैसे ऊपर कैसे लगता होगा। But I think Dubai is like second home for me. मैं यहाँ बहुत टाइम स्पेंड कर चुका हूँ. I've spent months at end sometimes shooting in Dubai. So I'm very comfortable here. I spent a lot of time here, but it looks so different. I think this time I'm coming almost after a year, and it looks so different, yeah. And apparently 2010 on construction is supposed to finish. Isn't that something? So it'll be quite an... Yes. So it's always fun to be here, and I feel very comfortable being here because I have spent a lot of time here. It's a wonderful city.
Okay, Valentine's Day is just coming up. What do you think about love? What's your take on love?
What's my take on love? जिसको मिल जाए अच्छा है, fortunate है, खुश रहें. Apart from that, I think true love is unconditional. True love is beautiful. It's very rare. I don't know what else to say.
What are you planning for this Valentine's Day, and whom are you going to spend the day with? Mainly, I want to ask, are you like seeing someone right now?
I appreciate the honesty and the straightforwardness, and no, I am single and happy to be single, and that's all I'm going to say regarding my personal life right now.
Okay, any message for all the single girls here and so many girls standing here who are a great fan of yours?
No, I guess I'd just like to thank everybody for the unconditional love and support, and it's very overwhelming. In fact, I've just come onto Twitter. It's a social
Yes,
network.
I follow you on Twitter. Yes, yeah. You were in Delhi yesterday, day before yesterday, yeah.
You have all the information. You have.
Absolutely, why not?
Ooh.
It's my profession, actually.
No, I mean, what I was trying to say was that, you get so many messages and it's so overwhelming to see the kind of, love people have for you. And so I'm just really, really grateful because I think I am wherever I am. I mean, I didn't have any big launch or anything. मैं जो भी हूँ मैं अपने जो लोगों ने मुझे support किया and the fans that have given me their love. So thank you very much.
Okay, Shahid, you're doing fantastic. You're really an inspiration for the younger generation. People really look up to you. Any message for youngsters who would like to get into a field like acting or music or anything?
Shameless perseverance. Shameless perseverance. Keep trying. Believe in yourself. It'll happen one day.
Just as Valentine's Day is not about spending on those who you love, it's all about cherishing the moments spent with people making a difference to their lives in whichever way possible. आज हम आपको ले जा रहे हैं अलनूर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर फॉर चिल्ड्रन विद स्पेशल नीड्स।
Al-Noor Training Center for Children with Special Needs has been here for over 28 years. It has humble beginnings, where we started with just 8 children. And currently we are a big organization with a capacity of 300 students. The main program at the center is geared towards providing services for children with special needs. We have various initiatives through which we try to raise awareness about special needs in the community. We have a very strong volunteer program wherein people are invited to come to the center, see the place, understand the kind of work that is being done here, and if they are then have the inclination to sign up as volunteers and do more work.
And that brings us to the end of our evening together. Thank you for staying connected via emails, Facebook and Twitter. It's always nice to hear from you all. It has been said that we have met every person in our life for a reason, a season or a lifetime. The reason could be for us to learn something or move on. Season could mean a short period of time, maybe to help us through a phase. And finally, those people who are in our lives for a lifetime are the ones who really love us. Valentine's Day is all about letting the people who we care about know that we care about them. So whether it's a reason, a season or a lifetime, go ahead and let your loved ones know how special they are to you. Enjoy the rest of the evening. This is your host Uma signing off. Tonight's episode was filmed at the beautiful Taj Palace Hotel, Dubai. Located in the heart of Dubai's commercial district Deira, Taj Palace offers a variety of 5 restaurants including the award-winning Indian eatery Handi. With its luxurious spa and spacious rooms, Taj Palace Dubai is just the perfect getaway for vacations and weekend breaks.
Hey, this is Shahid Kapoor and keep watching the most stylish show on earth, High Life Dubai.